A very good morning, my dear tiny tots. How are you all? Fine. I am your Khushbu ma'am and I welcome you all in our math session. So today, first we will do revision of number 1 to 17 and then I will teach you a new number. Okay, ready? Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
1, 0, 10.
1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17.
Now I will teach you a new number. Number 18. 1, 8, 18. So now let's count some objects and learn this number in better way. Look children, red strawberries. Let's count how many strawberries are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 strawberries. 1, 8, 18.
Green chilies. Chilies are very spicy. So let's count how many chilies are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
1, 8, 18.
There are 18 chilies. These are cars. Let's count how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 cars. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 hot air balloons.
Now, I will give you one practice worksheet. Let's see the worksheet.
Children, in this worksheet, you have to count and color the oranges, and you have to also color the number given below.
Children, I hope you all have enjoyed this session. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care.